An eagle can easily kill a raven. But there are benefits to inviting your adversary to dinner.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kosciusko County, Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Plymouth, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bourbon around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Warsaw, Winona Lake, and Milford around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Webster and Pierceton around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Etna Green, Big Barbie Lake, Ridinger Lake, Monocket, Hoffman Lake, Leesburg, Atwood, Irish Lake, Hibbard, and Tippecanoe. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Indiana. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging wind. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Kosciusko, and Marshall.
And finally allows the ravens back to the